So one of the luxuries that our data scientists have at Yahoo is that they can just come in on a Friday night, have another hypothesis, they go into one of our big clusters, they just keep it running on Monday morning when they come, they have other fingertips, thousands of Hadoop nodes that have been crunching the data. But in many cases where you have these business analysts that want to have the same exploration of the data, how do they do it really fast, right? So that's the final thing that we're finding as part of that Hadoop 2.0 ecosystem for us that is actually interesting. And all of that is possible thanks to actually that new development of splitting the resource manager and then the job shader. So some data about how we're actually running today. So we have 365 terabytes of storage on ADFS, that's raw storage. We're actually utilizing today about 150 of those. Actually, sorry about that, that's actually petabytes. We have 30,000 nodes that are actually running YARN today on .23. We're running 400,000 jobs per day on YARN. That's approximately between roughly 4 jobs per second, which maps to a peak of about 6 jobs per second. And we do 10 million hours of compute per day on YARN. So this is real. We're working with the community and with Hortonworks to actually move towards that Hadoop 2.0 and roll it out. We've seen big computer scalability, both horizontally and vertically through our use of HDFS. Performance-wise, we just basically were awarded a couple of days ago the Gray Sword benchmark to the Yahoo team, so I'm very excited about that. In terms of performance, we're seeing that the handout on resourcing between a node that just finished a job and a new job actually getting a new job, that time of idleness is actually getting reduced. And we've seen something between 60% and 150% improve in terms of the number of jobs that we've seen that run per day per node. Another advantage for us is that resource flexibility, right? That we used to run map reviews, and there were a number of use cases that we've seen for the last 6 years that we wanted to run long-running map jobs, or we wanted to run map, or we wanted to run reduce. And actually, we didn't have a good way of doing that. And this is one of the other advantages that we've seen is like that resource flexibility that YARN is actually giving us, allowing us to do that continuously running map job or always incremental map job.